Hey guys, Apache Smoke Adventures. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna change brake pads on my Transalp 750. I changed them 3 months ago, but the ones that I got, I forgot the brand. I call it RW or something. They didn't feel nice. There was no feeling when you were braking. And last month, or already 2 months ago, I don't know, we went with my friend to Germany, and we did some twisty roads and everything. And I really felt that the brakes were lacking a little bit of feel when you just stop and turn. So yeah, that's why I went for the Brembo carbon ceramics brake pads. Yeah, let's see how they're gonna work. So let's go work on it. Let's see how easy the package is gonna open. Because that's the biggest struggle. This one is okay, no worries. That's so cool. Right on. Let's see, it's 12. Yeah. Let's see if I can get it off this tool, because I don't want to go to the other shed to get other tools. Yeah, be okay. Some more light would be nice. Yeah, it's okay. Still good, but yeah, I don't think they're working really nice. They don't break that. Oh, that's no. You can see it. It's I hope you can see it. TRW brake pads. Yeah, they work okay, but not for the feel that I want to have when I'm braking. So. Get them on. Why? This is the left side, right? Where is it? This is weird. this should hook on here, but on the other side. What the hell? Five, 6, 6 left. Wait a minute. This is bullshit. Okay, so the one I ordered, they're left and right. The one I tried to put in, it says on the site, it's Sparks, www.sparks.no, I think. They post this number as the left side. And as far as I know, I'm on the left side, but it's the right side. And the one they posted on the right side, for the right side, it's on the left side. Yeah. Always fun. Wait. I'm so confused now. I wish I had some more light here. Would make my life a little bit easier, but one. I'm gonna go to the other side, and I don't have much room to film this, so I'll be back. Let's see how that's gonna work out. There's only one bolt in there, and it's connected to this, so I hope I can like flip it up and just get the pads out. Yeah, that's would be nice and very easy. So yeah, let's do it. So everything is on there. Now let's see how they're gonna work. I hope they're gonna be much better than the ones that I put on there. And let's see, well, these are still, I never changed them, so the backs are still like the original. They're still good, but yeah, when you change something, change them all, right? I got a new chain on there, new sprocket. Looks gorgeous. Oh, sorry. That was the bike. And I got the drip oil dripper for the chain loop. And it's a manual, but works great. Here's the adjuster. You just turn it a quarter turn, and it drips oil for like 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, see you later. Drive safe. Goodbye.